What's up, guys? I really wanted to make sure that this year I made a vision board for 2019. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and I think I always say that I will and never end up doing it. So this time I'm sitting down and I'm making it happen. We're doing it right now. I have my iced green tea here and ready. I like that it says 1000% online, because at this point everything that I do is online. I would like to keep it that way, and I think that is cool, so I'm going to cut this one out. I like that this says no worries, because, you know, no worries. I like these collages. I kind of want to like make them myself on the computer. So some aspects that I want to put on this vision board, definitely things that have to do with like career and personal goals and whatnot. Artists in residence. I like that. I'd like to consider Jason and I to be artistes. I like this spread. Nice. Let's fix this lighting. It's either that's going to be blown out or me, and it's not going to be me. Experience your interior passion. I like that. So I've just been gluing down some pieces that I like. I found this piece that says relentless and doesn't take a day off, but it's important to take time off, so I fixed it. I feel energized, and I think energized comes with strong and fit. There she is. She is all done. I'm really excited for this. I think it's cool to look at, and maybe throughout the year when I have a few more visual pieces that I feel inspired by, I will add them. But so far it's pretty good. So here it is, my finished vision board for 2019. I kind of let the pages of the magazine find me, and I didn't really have an idea of what I wanted when I looked through them, but I did do some major keywords throughout, like celebrate, strong and fit, inspire, cookbook, get inspired, no worries, getaway, play in nature, energized, health kick, unfazed, doing well, wild style, relentless, gratitude, the best of both worlds. And I picked these things because they are aspects that I want to keep in mind when I'm going through the new year, and I think day to day, because making changes in the new year is not about what you wake up on January 1st and decide to do. It's what you continuously do, what you continuously think, and the actions that result from those thoughts that you have. I'm trying to put in a positive spin from the root. I am what I make up. I think that is such an important thing to remember. Regardless of your upbringing, your background, or where you're at right now, you can change your mentality, your headspace, which are both the same thing, but you can also change where you're going with it. And you can start by your inner thoughts, because life is not about what happens to you, but mostly about how you react to them. And unfazed, because I think recognizing the blessings you have in your life is important, and to not let little minuscule issues ruin all the goodness that you had. Oil pulling is really important. Oral health, health in general, mental health, all of it is really tied into one another. And from that, I think gratitude is a really important thing, because there's always ways to be gracious and to show your gratitude to people, things, the planet. I love cooking, if you know me. Follow me on any social platform. any social media, I'm always cooking something, and I would love to make my own cookbook. This whole board is not a dream, it's more of let's make this shit happen. These are the big plans, and now I need to go do the work behind the scenes and make these things happen. Here I have a little island vacation. I think that would be super fun to be able to do and go to a new country. I want to be able to say, yes, I did. I think being living proof of what you're about is the biggest thing that you can do and that have the strongest impact. I really like this Gucci belt bag and I think it's cute. That's a whole nother thing. This Chloe bag is gorgeous. I've always wanted, however, I'll have to find it. Secondhand, firsthand. Photo of me and Jason. Note, this is the only one that has not been glued in. This has a thumbtack. I don't know where this year will take us, and I want to have much better photos together and in different parts of the world. But this was at a networking event. Charles Dickens once said, "There's nothing in this world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humor." Well said, Charles. I wanted to have a visual representation of what I'm working hard every day and putting in a second shift late at night, and basically have something reminding myself of what I'm working for. We're in a time where there is not a middleman like there was back in the day. There's no gatekeeper in the avenue that I want to take with my life and career. So I hope you guys take this as a piece of inspiration for your own life and your own goals, and have a day where you look through all these magazines. You can even do it online and print out pages, collages, whatnot. And it's fun. Who doesn't love cutting shit up in a magazine? Whatever your goals are, just have fun. You know, put a little thing together, a little visual representation of why you work so hard. Thank you and Happy New Year. And I hope you have a wonderful and healthy 2019. And I'm so thankful you are here with me on my journey.